Hello there. Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Obi Cubana explains a source of wealth. Let's check out what he has to say.
Children, and then they fetch water for a stream. If they want, they give you money. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. My name is Mr. Obi Cubana, the one where they know as Obi Cubana or tuals. My mama burial can't be like this because we don't promise our mama say the time when she go turn 80 years. Say the kind carnival where we go do for them. Person never do it for this world. As they can't be, they can't choke, she can't die before the 80 years. What we go do now? We can't carry all the effort, all the plan, all the energy, everything where we be one plan for do for her 80th birthday. Come put them inside this burial. That's why it can't be like saying a talk of town. You know, saying that 50 years where Papa died with this. So if you can't get Papa, get Mama, Papa can't die. You can't carry love again. Where you get for Papa, can't join the one where you can't get Mama. That one, the love is beautiful now. And she they play the role of Papa and Mama. Before you go, she must pray for you. If you know that, she must pray for you. And she can't die. It can't be like that they don't come out part of my energy. I go plan make people throw money, carry and bath. The money I then get up. The way where they use them, I don't want to use them like that. All those people where you see there are big men, established men, people where don't make big name for what thing that they do. But I feel say they want to show love. Love to the family, love to Mama, love to the Cubana group. And people where we don't take since before we don't even begin get money. Most of them are schoolmates. Most of them are people where we don't work out together, where we the hustle. Because we don't come back, you don't come alive, can't be like this. We get history. So when you can't get things like this now, maybe people confuse say, okay, now this opportunity they go use, maybe they show you love. Show your town, say you get people. Now what did I see what happened for that matter, what happened that day? For the business, what would they do? Say, I show business. So everything can join. Can they sweet my belly like that? Why not go happy? I happy now. At least nobody still say they catch me thief. Nobody say they catch me do this one. Or say they disrespect my country. Everything why I do nothing where we carry my town over and the Anambra state, put on for world map. And the thing happen like that. I go they happy now. So as they bomb me for this Oba, where we sit down now. Now I come put me for primary school. That time my mama a teacher for that primary school, Central School Oba. Opposite that place where we do the burial. Now there the school there. As we come past now, can't go secondary school. Now they carry me go Onitsha. As I can't reach Onitsha, DMGS, there we pass. Can't go University of Nigeria and Soka. You go surprise yourself, say what I study in political science. But as you can't look for job. 99 now you can't do youth service. For Abuja, look for job so they shoe one bend. You can't begin do small mama put. And from there we will say be a part of our garden. From garden now we can't God bless us. We can't through RFI. You can't demolish everything that time. We still say hope don't finish. You can't go open Ibiza. Ibiza now you can't bunk Cubana. That time where we do that our garden. Me and my brothers and friends, we live for one zone 4 house that time. That time we did that room 12 by 12 where we put foam for ground. Now like 6 we there inside the room with the manage. That time we know they suffer. Now we be the biggest boy because that time Abuja never tear eye as it tear right now. So we they do them, we they push at that time. Anything where we see, we go just they try make we turn stand to Gary, make we transform anything where we go fit. Walk on carry some of them, go Port Harcourt, carry one, go Czechoslovakia, carry one, go Lagos. We can't remember for the Abuja, so we go find what thing we can't find here. So that's Abuja we there. We they manage. We don't look person own. We don't look say we one day like this person, but they look and say we go reach where we there. Say hunger no go kill us. Say one day we must get married, raise our children. Say one day things go better for us. You know go there as you there today. Not be everything where you there see today work. Some no work. Some we put out we lost money.
For instance.
Man, don't call that one now. You don't say people don't like celebrate failure. But they like you say some of the businesses where we put our money, where we put our hand, you know work. Then we go back again, go back to drawing board again, look at what happened. What happened? What didn't know we don't do well. If I don't fly you, I don't begin 10 minutes. So I think immediately after my youth service for Abuja, that was the first time I made my first 1 million naira. That time, Abuja, they do agency now. The land they sell for Abuja na, to find house. They pay you 5%. At that time, I hear waiting 5% for the first time in my life. So with the hustle. Because they do youth service that time, 2,000 they pay us for National Assembly. Because Nigeria where we serve. That time, our allowance for National NYSC na 100 and something naira. So come German for the 2,000 the way you collect that day. Go buy small thing, they make food. Make sure stay food there for house. So as we come, they find those small contracts. I come meet one client who say make we furnish house for him. We did it very well. He was so happy. That's me 500K. But after the 500K, now me, my profit, what I make, call it like 600 and something K. So that now 1.1 million be that. If I can join contract, I do small contract for PPMC. Make small money that time, buy my V-boot. Now for money you carry invest for the garden business. For I can open Cubana. I no get time to answer person who want tell me what I want use money where I make, do. Now me make them. Now me. Your own na to the watch. If I want anything I want to do, I could do. To God be the reply person when ask me what I carry my money do. That one a waste of time. I go rather focus the energy on how to make more money and do anything I want to do. So when you go make it own. These people where they write this thing for Instagram or internet, if you see their leg, you don't go allow them enter your own parlor. They're not about finish. Now just people where know one better thing. And to them now everything where you do must be illegitimate. Now not be saying a straight way. But they will be surprised because that time when they take lie down, they criticize, they write nonsense. Carry and go find waiting. So far say God give you leg, give you hand, say you get brain, say you feel walk. You'll be surprised at the opportunity waiting for this in Nigeria. You'll be surprised. So to come begin answer them, come join matter with them. If you can't be like say me and then come become the same thing again. So we don't get time for that kind of matter. Many people don't give money. For that pastor said, if you need the money pass. They think doctor don't give you money. Because in children, and then they fetch water for a stream. If they want, they give you money. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Don't cheat your fellow man. Keep your hands straight as much as you can. It's a natural door opener. You don't need to do all those things. Fasting as prayer, yes, for spirituality. I'm a Christian. But to tell me, say, if you do fasting and prayer, money will come. That one, you sabi. Native doctor, you sabi. All those things, go kill fowl, go keep to your carry. Here say when people they carry pad up and that one are nonsense. Whatever you define, you say you feel do. Keep your hands straight. That one you don't solve 90% of the matter. The other one, the grace of God. Once you put them for your hand, nobody feel come out and go. Don't look at another person own. If you look at them, not to clap for them. Not be to wish say, how I want to collect this one. Not be your own. Even Bible talk and say, do not covet. That means don't they look person own like saying that you get them. Once you do those things, you know you even know people who are going to fight for you. I have always been the quiet and the private person. But this kind of business where I can't join, I don't know so that's how it could be. This particular burial, where we begin the matter for before, nobody, even the people who come out, people who plan them, people where they bury their mama, people where we meet on ground, the town, we know no say that's how it could be. But the thing where go show say you don't become man, be say any situation where you see you go come land yourself gidigba, say you dey there, you go put head, come stand there. You don't go run. So anything where we see, as you can see that crowd that there and then the people, because most of my people will be big men, you don't see them. Because they walk. Think they walk out like say we plan and we no plan for 1/5 of that crowd. We no plan them at all. We just did the normal setting. My life, now one kind, you get as to be. And they pray. And they pray. Because before you come out of your house, you're supposed to pray. You can't be like say, if you no pray, you can't be like say, come there naked come out. You are body go there open for different attack. Because for this world things there. Any person will tell you something no there for this world. That as you can't do the right thing, even people, angels, go they fight for you. You're gonna work out, you can't be like saying your energy or your own power, not be you. You don't say what happen for that burial. People they talk to Obi Cubana get money. Which money? Don't see people wey get money for Anambra, for this Nigeria. Not be about money, not be money, a goodwill. I think the most important highlight in all this be say other people wey get money, before they even born us, other people wey get money pass us, other people wey they try to get money, but no say money no be everything. Because that thing wey happen that day, money no fit buy am. You know, if na crowd no fit rent am, not possible. See all those kind mammoth crowd, person no die, they no rape person, they no steal any motor, they no break any house. No be say we pay the crowd. Because they feel say this man don't try. So the takeaway in all this be say any money we make for this world, not one where we carry go yonder. Now here everything end. So as the chop they enjoy, you gotta remember people where they around you. Because as evil as man be, there's the amount of love where you go show him. You go look, you say, man, I leave this one. Confess another person. Not be say you feel change them, you feel change some. But those one where their heart don't black. Because they are, I leave this one go. To try to connect with our people. Try to connect with your schoolmates, your family, your brothers, associates, people where you meet on the line. Because last, all of us go die. Part thing be say, walk. If you're in your 20s now, me I'm 46 years old. 46 they told me, young boy, I don't do my first half. The second half a day now. So I don't know how a person will go there 20 years, go to say, you never make an American, where you still get like at least 50 years ahead of you, 60 years ahead of you. And this business where they do, this thing where no matter what, 2 years, you will begin to see result. 1 year of hard work, you will begin to see result. Just pray for consistency. So this world is about connectivity. Find what you go fit do. Pray to God, make human connections, and you go to work. No soap to cut for anybody. Soap no day anywhere. Walk, pray, be good. You don't make your own soap. Carry and bath. You know they cut food of anybody for this world. That's how you be.